2 weeks after bariatric surgery, we allow you to advance your diet to stage 3 as long as everything else is going all right. So in stage 3, we really focus on solid proteins. Your body cannot manufacture protein, and so it'll either break down your muscles or it'll take what you're eating. So we really focus on protein. Some examples of things in stage 3, soft solid proteins, are things like eggs, beans, deli meats, moist fish, canned meats. You can add some mayo to make that a little more moist and help it go down easier. Now initially you're still going to be about that 1 ounce size in what your volume is going to be for that meal. As you move through the next couple of weeks, you may be able to increase that to more like 2 ounces or 1/4 of a cup. For 2 weeks, I want you just doing the solid proteins and then staying hydrated, keeping your fluids going. Remember, you're not supposed to drink for 30 minutes after you eat because we want that food to sit in your pouch and give you that feeling of satiety and that you're full. Once you've done 2 weeks of the solid proteins, then I want you to add soft veggies. So anything that's been canned or cooked so that it's really soft and easy to chew up. So here's an example of what one of those meals might look like, because I want you to do it in 70% protein and 30% veggies. So 70% of that meal is protein, 30% is veggies, and that total is about 1/4 of a cup. Now, as you eat vegetables, I want you to get a wide variety. The more colors and textures and types you can get, the better. They all carry different micronutrients and will help you feel good, feel healthy, and so you really want to get a wide variety of vegetables. That will be for the next 2 weeks. So you've got from week 2 to week 4 after surgery with your soft solid proteins, and then from week 4 to week 6 with your soft solid proteins and soft veggies in a 70-30 ratio. A couple of things that can help as you move into eating solid foods. One is plate size. You can see that small amount in that large plate doesn't look like very much, but as you make that plate size smaller, at least visually your brain feels like, oh, I'm getting a meal, and if you can go with even a smaller plate, that can be helpful. And then small utensils are helpful so that you're not trying to eat too quickly or swallow too big of a bite. Kind of applesauce consistency we talk about when you swallow it, just so things aren't getting stuck as they move down. Small plates, small spoons, small bites, chew really well. That will help you in this process.